Hello friends and welcome back to the Readies channel. So friends, today I will talk about Zotac to launch Ryzen AI Max Strix Halo SFF PC at Computex 2025. So friends, Zotac preparing RTX 50 and Strix Halo powered mini PC. So friends, Zotac has just announced the arrival of new mini PCs at Computex 2025 and the E series, which target high-end gaming design, will be the first to adopt the RTX 5060 Ti and RTX 5070 Ti. And what is the important? These are desktop variant and focus should be on the Magnus EN and EA series. Specifically, the EN model will be equipped with Core Ultra 7 processor and future and RTX 5070 Ti graphics card with 8.48-liter chassis, and Zotac will launch 2.65-liter system equipped with desktop RTX 5060 Ti 16GB graphics card, and this is a too small form factor, also featuring Core Ultra 7 mobile processor, and this is a Core 200HX model. And Zotac also mentions support for large language model and generating AI workload, which likely implies support for large memory capacity. And there is a Magnus EA, the first system with the same 2.65-liter chassis as the Magnus EU and featuring AMD Ryzen AI Max processor. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.